Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Thelma, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make pita bread or shawarma bread. This is the bread which is used to fold shawarma, meat wrap or chicken wrap. I thought it wise to upload this video before the actual shawarma video, just so you have an idea how to make the bread. And we are going to learn how to make it very soft and foldable, like you can see in the video. So take time, enjoy and learn. We need just a few ingredients: all-purpose flour, salt and yeast, vegetable oil, we need just a little, white sugar and milk powder. We will begin by activating the yeast. So we activate the yeast with sugar and then we'll add tepid water to activate it. So we just stir it together and then cover it to sit for about 5 minutes, and this is the yeast. It has cooled very well. So I'm adding the ingredients: the milk powder, salt, sugar, and then just stir everything up. I'm now going to create a well in the middle and then add in my yeast. Mix everything up. And I'm adding a little more of the tepid water. So now you're just going to mix everything till you get an almost dough, then you drizzle the vegetable oil on it. Then you continue to work that dough to perfection. If you have tried working on a dough before, you will agree with me that working on a dough is a lot of work. So just take your time with it and then work on that dough, okay? So after getting a fine dough, we'll just drizzle some of the vegetable oil in another bowl, spread it out and leave the dough there for a while. After it has risen, you will just sprinkle flour on your working surface and then you knead it a little bit more. See how bouncy it is? Yes, that shows that it is risen finely. So you knead it a bit more like I am doing, and the result is going to be even bouncier, like you can see. So I'm just going to divide it, and I got 9 from this. Sprinkle some flour on the working surface again, and then you roll out the dough. So you roll it all out until the dough is very flat. Not too flat though, but it has to be flat, like this thickness, okay? So I'll be repeating the same thing for all the divisions that I have, okay? And in this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 methods to make your pita bread. So the first one is the flat one we did. And the second method I'm going to teach you, you don't want to roll the dough out to be too flat, like just like this, then you stop. Look at how thick it is. So this is how you roll it up to, okay? Then you put it in the hot pan, and then you just cook it on both sides. So like you can see, that is cooking very beautifully. It's pretty simple, guys. You don't need any oven. And for the flat one, you do the same thing. Put it in the hot pan and cook it on both sides. So I'm just going to be repeating the process for all the divisions that I rolled out, okay? And that's just it, guys. This is how to make shawarma bread. It's so simple. You don't have to always buy from the mall. You can make this yourself at home, and it is so soft, so soft, and you can fold it anyhow you want to fold it, okay? This is going to be so yummy with the shawarma. And with the second method, you just have to poke it a little and then open it up, okay? So you open it up like this, and I'm going to be teaching you in my next video how to use this to wrap the shawarma. So watch out for that video, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new here, please join the family by clicking on the subscribe button. And to all my old subscribers, I love you so much. Bye.